Karen Huger is facing legal action after being found guilty of driving under the influence. She fired her previous legal team and hired new attorneys. Her sentencing was also requested to be postponed as she is going to rehab. Karen Huger gets DUI. Karen Huger, a star on The Real Housewives of Potomac, is facing legal consequences after being found guilty of driving under the influence and other related charges following a car crash in March 2024. After a Maryland jury convicted her in December 2024, she decided to fire her previous legal team and hire new attorneys. She also requested a postponement of her sentencing, which was originally scheduled for January 29, 2025, to give her more time to complete a rehab program and for her new lawyers to prepare her defense. The judge granted her request, moving her sentencing to February 26, 2025. The charges against Karen include DUI, negligent driving, and failure to control speed. While a charge of reckless driving was dismissed, the crash occurred when Karen, driving her 2017 Maserati, struck a median, hit a street sign, and then slammed into a tree. Authorities arrested her after believing she was under the influence at the time. Karen Huger in rehab. In her motion to delay the sentencing, Karen's new legal team explained that they had recently taken over her case. They needed more time to review the evidence and prepare their arguments. They also mentioned that Karen had entered a private out-of-state rehab program, making it difficult for them to communicate with her due to the program's strict rules. She was scheduled to return from the program on January 28, 2025, just one day before the original sentencing date. Her new lawyers asked for an extension to file a memorandum on what type of sentence Karen believes is appropriate. Before her trial, Huger attempted to block body cam footage and statements she made to the police from being used as evidence. She claimed she wasn't read her Miranda rights, arguing that her interrogation was illegal. However, the judge sided with the prosecution, allowing the footage and her statements to be used in court. Huger's decision to enter rehab has been supported by her team and family. Her representative, Ryan Tresdale, confirmed in January 2025 that Karen chose to enter the program to focus on her recovery, which led her to miss the Real Housewives of Potomac reunion taping. Her former attorney, A. Scott Bolden, expressed disappointment in the jury's verdict but respected the decision, stating they would continue to pursue an appeal on Karen's behalf. Karen's sentencing is now scheduled for February 26. It remains to be seen how her legal troubles and recovery journey will impact her future on the show. Are you surprised Karen hired new attorneys? Was her offense shocking to you? Let us know what you think in the comments.